Hello everyone, and welcome to On the Hook Crochet, where we talk about wearable crochet style. And let's find out what's been on the hook. Well, this has been on the hook for a while. This is the Just Peachy Top by Yarnspirations, and here is a picture of the pattern. This is the Just Peachy Top by Yarnspirations, and I made it a couple of months ago in a cotton on denim yarn, and I decided that since I had 3 balls of jeans yarn, jeans colors they call it, colors in the color Capri. There's the little baby wearing the sweater. I decided I was going to make this Just Peachy Top, so I set out to make it a little bit smaller than the original that I made, because it was a little bit big around the hips, not too much, but just a little bit. And I thought, I was going to rein that in just a little bit. So I did. I made the top in a different format than the pattern, which I'm prone to do, but the basic pattern is really good, and the schematic is what I'm using to go by. So I appreciate Yarnspirations' hard work on this pattern. I've used it twice, and I've been successful 2 times with it. So I wanted to talk today about the changes that I made on this particular one, because I made it a little bit smaller across the front and a tiny bit shorter, not much, but I'll stand up and show it to you. This is made from, of course, the jeans yarn, and it fits a little bit loose, but not as loose as the original one that I made. So I'm just wearing it with a black tank and some black pants, just to kind of give it that one color underneath. But it could easily be worn with a white top. That would be my preference, really, or a cream color beige top. You could wear either one of those colors with it, in addition to the black. So it's not as easy to wear with all different colors as the original. I think I could probably wear that with another extra color because it was purple. But I don't have a tank top this color, but if you did, you could certainly wear it with this. Or you could just make it in a different color yarn. In the jeans yarn, there are a plethora of colors that you can make, and it's a beautiful yarn. It's really soft, very comfortable. I'm not hot in this at all. Now, I am wearing a tank top under it, and the air conditioner's on, so I probably wouldn't be comfortable out walking down the street in it in 95 degrees. I wanted to tell you how I made this. This was, I made the small, which actually is extra small, small, and medium are all the same size. And I used the schematic inside, which is here. And this is a free pattern, so I can show it to you for a second. I made this schematic out of the stitches that I wanted, and I made it right by the pattern, 10 inches wide by 38 inches long. And that 38 inches goes from the bottom front all the way over to the bottom at the waist, below the waist in the back. So I made it 10 by 38.5 inches, and this is just about exactly like the pattern called for in the extra small, small, and medium size. They're all the same schematic, but this is made to the pattern specs. Now, the last one that I made was not to the pattern specs. It was much bigger. So let me show you that one. Crystal's going to model it for us today. Here's Crystal. You haven't seen her in a while. She's making an appearance today. And I have a white tank top on Crystal, so you can kind of see how this one looks with a very beautiful light color. And I like this purple cotton on denim. I think it really turned out nicely for summer. But this is bigger than the one I have on. I don't know if you can see that. I actually put pretty much the same number. Yeah, I think I put an extra row along the bottom of this one. I put 4 rows. Actually, I put a row of single, 2 half doubles, and a row of single on this one. I think these are all single crochet at the bottom of this one. So you can adjust it however you want to. I did not put an edging around the sleeve because it actually had one on the fabric that I originally made it from. So I did not put anything on the sleeve, but you could easily add as much as you wanted to these sleeves. Single crochets, half double crochets, lace. You could do any of that to these sleeves. I did not do it because I want it to be strictly cap sleeve, but you could certainly do that with this pattern. It's very easy to adjust. Now, the back of it, if you'll notice, the seam comes up much higher in the back. And, you know, I made another top similar to this, and the back was sewn way down here. You know, this part was sewn on the back. And I kind of like the way this looked. I like it to come up a little higher in the back. I do like that. And then it comes down pretty low in the front because obviously you're going to be wearing it with the tank top underneath, or a shirt, or a turtleneck sweater, or whatever you want to wear with it. So I've worn this quite a few times. I have gotten a lot of compliments on it. It is just really pretty. It is a very casual top, and it's very comfortable to wear. So I thought I would, well, thank you, Crystal. I thought I would wear this one and see how it felt. And it does feel very, very good. I love the jeans yarn. Now, it took me, I bought 3 balls. I had 3 balls, actually, and I had a lot left over. And one ball just got so gnarled up. Look at that. I just said, you know what, I'm not going to spend time undoing that. So I opened up a new ball, which I'm not really prone to do, but I was in a little bit of a hurry. I wanted to finish it. So this is my 3rd ball. I have a lot of that left. I hardly used any of it. And this is my 2nd ball, which I used about half of it. So I only used, as far as I can tell, I only used less than 2 balls on this top, because it's not very big. It's really, once you get the 2 pieces made, it's really not that big. There's not that much crochet in it. But let me show you how I did this. I did 2 rows of single crochet and a row of treble crochet lace, 3 rows of half double crochet lace, a row of treble crochet lace, 3 rows of half double crochet lace, a row of trebles. You see what I am? 3 half double lace, 1 treble lace. And then at the bottom, it had a row of single crochet in the pattern. So that's on the edge here. So I didn't even put any solid rows in here. I just used lace. So it's basically made of lace stitches, and that's why I didn't use very much yarn. That's got to be it. There's nothing solid on here except these little rows of single crochet. And of course I did solid rows at the bottom. I did single crochet 2 half doubles and a single rows at the bottom to lengthen it just a little bit, because I didn't feel like it was long enough. And 1 row of single crochet would put it here, and that's just not, to me, that wasn't long enough. So I went ahead and added those extra rows at the bottom. I didn't think it took away from the lace look. It kind of grounds it a little bit. It makes it solid at the bottom, and I like that look. So it turned out very, very nicely, but it is a totally different look from this. This has the solid stripes in it, basically done with the single crochet rows in between the lace. On this one, it is all lace, no single crochet except right on the edge. So it's a whole different look, I think, and it's very, very cool. Actually, it's probably cooler than that one because it doesn't have any solid rows in the actual sweater fabric. So I thought that was kind of neat. Now, I'm going to give you some numbers. If you're interested, you can just listen. I just wanted you to know what I did. In the cotton on denim original Just Peachy top that I made, the measurement on the one side was 11 by 41. So that is the piece that I made, this piece right here, 11 by 41. And this one, it was 10 by 38 and a half. So it was a little bit shorter. It was a little bit shorter and a little bit less wide. And of course I made it out of a different stitch altogether. So, but I did use the schematic, and I did make it closer to the size that it called for than I did the last time. So that one was quite a bit bigger. 11 by 41 was a lot bigger. And so it has a different look when I put it on, but variety is the spice of life. That's what I say. So anyway, I wanted to show you this. I want to bring it to you, and I'm all done with it. I'm excited. I'll be able to wear it this summer and into the fall. I'll probably wear it with a black turtleneck. That would be my guess. So just wanted to show this to you and welcome you back. next time to find out what's on the hook.